Welcome guys to today's class. We are going to learn about the long E sound. Can we say it together? The long E sound. Very good. The long E sound is being shown on the screen right now. The double E makes the E sound. Can you still remember that song? The E song. See the donkey in his stall, E-R, E-R is its call. That is the song for the long E sound. I told you about the rule of when two vowels go working together. Can we still remember that? What happens when two vowels go working together? The first vowel say its name for the two vowels, and that is why this sound is not e, it is E sound. It is the long E sound. Very good. From this sound, we can make the word gr, green. From this sound, we can make the word gr, green. So anytime you see these two vowels together in any given word, you don't pronounce as no. You say E. Can we say it? E. Can we say it? E. Very good. And that's why from this word it makes gr, green. That's color green. And that's the color of the pencil I'm displaying on the screen right now. So today, we are going to proceed to learn more about E sound. Join me as we see more words that makes the E sound. Remember, anytime you see the double E in any given word, it is pronounced as the long E sound. Let's look at these words together. Eat, beat, eat, feet, eat, meat, fill, eat, fleet, grr, eat, great, eat, sheet, sk, eat, skeet, still, eat, sleet, str, eat, street. Can we call out the sound of the next word together? We blend it and we pronounce the word. Let's go. SW makes what sound? That's a consonant blend. So we have to call it together. And that's what? Sw. Everybody say it. Sw, 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 sw. So S and W makes sw, but we'll not say sw. No, we say sw. So let's say it. Sw. Eat, sweet. And the next word says tw. Eat, sweet. The next word says br. Ease, breeze. Fr. Ease, freeze. Ease, sneeze. Squeeze, squeeze. Ease, twist. Can you see how the double E makes the long E sound in each of these words? Very good. But guys, do you know that the double E sound also has its family, just like you and I? This means that the E sound is not only made when the double E is spelled. The E sound is not only made when it is spelled as double E. It is also made when it is spelled as E-A, E-A. Can we pronounce this together? This also makes the E sound. Can we say it? E. Everybody say it. E. Again. E. EA also makes the E sound. So let's read this word that we are seeing on the screen right now with the EA of the E sound. Let's go. E, D. Read. Again. E, D. Read. This is to show you that even though the double E makes the long E sound, the EA also makes the long E sound. Now let's look at these words together. We have the word and what's the EA? What sound will that make? It makes the E sound. So let's go. Real. S, E, see. B, each, beach. Tr, eat, treat. D, deal. Meal. Team. Eat, meat. So we stopped at meat. This is the next word that we are going to blend together. Can we call the sound of this word and blend it together? We have the word eat, sit. We have the next word eat, lead. And the next word eat, leave. Heat, heat. Bean. Each, teach. Eep, leap. Week. Team. And the last word, can you call the sound of that word and blend together? If you said p, he, k, then you are right. This word makes p, he, k, pig. Have you seen how the double E, which makes the E sound, and also the EA, as how it makes the E sound too? The double E makes the E sound. EA in a word also makes the E sound. Now, let's pick one from this word. From the word on the left, we are going to pick a word. And from the word on the right, we are going to pick another word. So here we have the word eat, beat. Can you see? Now let's look at this word eat, feet. Can you see how these two words, even though one is spelled as B-E-A-T and the other is spelled as F-E-E-T, they still make the same sound. That is to tell you that these two words belong to the same family. The two sounds belong to the same family. E-A and E-E makes the same sound. Let's move on to the next word. Heat, heat, and eat, meat. We have the next word, eat of the EA spelling of the E sound, and we have the word full, eat, fleet. The next word is eat, neat, and this also makes grr, eat, great. We have the next word, eat, seat. We have eat, sheet. Can you see how these two letters, EA and EE, makes the long E sound? Can you read these words with me? The first sentence says, I What sound is that? S, E. I see a. What sound does this word make? P, H, peach. So let's read from the beginning again. I see a peach seed. Can you see the E sound at work? This is the double E that makes the E sound, and this is EA that makes the E sound. Let's read number 2 together. What word is this? Sail is on the beach. Very good. Number 3, let's read. Did you meet the queen? Did you meet the queen? Number 4, let's read. What word does that make? Green. 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 The green leaf is on the tree. Now read number 5 for me. If you said, keep your feet off the seat, you are correct. Let's read number 6 together. They will eat and have tea. Very good, guys. This is how double E makes E sound. EA also makes E sound. They both make the long E sound. Well done. So, my dear boys, can you see how the double E and the EA can make the same sound? And what sound do they make? They make the long E sound. Here is the activity I have for you today. You know Mrs. Mobola loves to give you activity, right? And I know you also love to do my activities. The instruction says, can you underline all of the E and EA words? Can you underline all of the EE and EA words? The title of the passage is Pete the Sheep. Pete the Sheep. You are going to read the passage, underline the double E and the EA words. After that, you come to the next question here, which talks about filling in the gap with the correct EE and EA word. Number 1 says, Pete is a dash. After you have read the passage, you will discover who Pete is or what Pete is. Did you enjoy today's class? Then join me for the next class. Goodbye.